Today I am frying me some liver and onions. I hope everybody's doing okay. I love liver and onions. I was going to cook this the other day and I got busy with something else. I've got them cooked on one side. I've got 4 of them here, so I've got to cook both of them off the other two, but I'll get these done and get it downloaded to YouTube. Let it go out this evening. But I hope everybody's doing okay. I love liver and onions. I craved liver and onions before my youngest daughter was born. I couldn't get enough liver. And she's 60 years old now, so that's been a while back. But I still love my liver. I've craved Easter eggs. The candy Easter eggs were my first one. And it won't be long to Easter and I can get me some more. This was thinly sliced, so it won't take long. Let's see. I just turn these over. But I like my onions cooked in there with them and softened up. I'm still quilting. I've been prepping my material. I've had to order me another rotary cutter because mine give out on me. It won't be here till tomorrow, so I can't cut nothing out till tomorrow. That's not hardly done. I've been quilting so much, I've let my house get kind of disrupted. I've got to take a day off and straighten everything up. But I live here by myself and I still can't stand it. But I'm 82 years old too, so I have fell and broke bones. I broke my femur bone about 8 or 9 years ago. I broke my shoulder about 9 or 10 years ago, and I fell coming up my steps on the front porch last March and broke my wrist in 2 places. So I've got a rod in my leg where I broke my femur bone. I get around pretty good, but I can't get up steps unless I got something to hold on to get up. Alright, I'm gonna put, this is just about done. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank you so much for watching.